Hello everyone, Udit this side yet again from Big Jaguar. Today I have a beautiful influencer here with me, Arushi Kalra.
Hi
And
all.
So she is here yet again as a food influencer with us, and I would like to know about her journey, how she started, how she got into this food journey, and how she became a food influencer. So let's hear it out from her only.
Hi. I started this journey in 2016. By the way, my blog's name is Life Unwind. So the reason for this is that we really wanted people to go through our content and see what sort of things are there and how you can take a break from your regular routine in terms of food or travel or lifestyle. I used to take a lot of food shots, and especially when I had gone for my masters to New Zealand, so over there I really got into the habit of taking different food pictures or pictures of the while traveling and pretty scenery as well. So when I came back from there, I was just randomly posting it on my own personal account on Instagram. So that is when some of my friends over here back in Delhi, they just told me that, hey, why are you just posting on your personal page and keeping it restricted to your friends and
might
followers?
be they ask you to create a
Yeah,
food blogging
right.
page,
So they told me. So I mean, I was very new to this concept at that time. So they said कि नहीं यार ये तो चलता है. You should definitely create a separate page for this, and you have to start posting over there. You will gain some followers, and eventually, I'm sure you will gain some collaborations as well. So that is how it started. I mean, initially, of course, it was all about just the content, and I really didn't bother about the followers. I was more happy in receiving the engagements in terms of likes and comments. So slowly and steadily, that's how it picked up, and it's going to be almost like 8 to 9 years now that I've been running this.
Okay. I mean, quite wonderful story that you
Right.
talked about. Okay. So, how has been your journey with Big Jaguar? How has been your experience with us?
I think it's been excellent. So I really like the fact how you have one point contact. Like for me in this case was Sayantini. So I really like the fact how she clearly told me about the campaign. What will be the deliveries from the brand and what are the deliveries expected from us. So it was a very smooth process, and she clearly told everything in terms of the timings and how we can come and how we can go about it. So that is excellent.
Sounds amazing. Alright, so all the influencers and brands out there, contact us, ping us for a collaboration, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you. Have a good time. Bye bye.
Bye.